Hey, if you want to perform the hard reset of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, first of all, we have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, and you have to be also connected with your phone. And you have to find this button on the right side, and you have to click and hold this button. And you have to hold it until this indicator turns red. It will blink for like 3 or 4 times red, and it means that the reset will be complete. Then this indicator will turn to the white. Okay, it looks like it takes too much time, so let's try to repeat. Okay, right now it is blinking white, and it turns red. And it means that the reset process starts, and right now it turns white. And as you can see, we are not connected anymore with our phone, and that's how we can do this on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. Bye bye!